fourth step in the power learning process is evaluating your work. This means looking at what you have done and comparing it to your goals. It is important to evaluate your work before you consider it finished, because it can help you to improve it. Many students don't think it's important to evaluate their work and don't make changes, which can make them do worse. For example, when writing an essay, it's important to revise it to make it better and to get better grades. Studies have shown that when students receive feedback from their peers and teachers and then revise their work, they improve their writing skills. Power Learning teaches students how to evaluate their work and gives them tips on how to improve it. This can help them do better in school and be more successful.